Hi everyone, I'm Megan. This is Erin, Michelle, and we are your program coordinators with the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, and we provide students like you career development opportunities.
Now more than ever, people are talking about the importance of positive mental health, wellness, and self-care. So our team at the SIEC has put together a week of events in late January focused on careers in mental health, wellness, and addictions counseling. And we've assembled resources for students, teachers, and your friends and family.
On January 26th, you can pre-register for a workshop that links financial literacy and positive mental health. It's entitled Mind Your Money, an introduction to the psychology of spending. There's an AM session and a PM session that you can register for, and it will be hosted by a representative from the Credit Counseling Society of Canada.
On Wednesday, January 27th from 6:30 till 7:30 p.m., you can join us to learn about careers in occupational and physical therapy. And we'll hear from industry professionals as well as current students about their career journey.
You could pre-register for a spotlight on careers in mental health and addictions counseling on January 28th at 10 a.m. If you're interested in a career in helping people, or if you just want to pick up some positive mental health strategies, join us and a representative from the Saskatchewan Health Authority.
And if you're interested in learning more about these careers, check out our post-secondary video series or our wellness career talks.
Be sure to check out SIEC Speaks, where we have blog posts from guest contributors like students, career facilitators, as well as industry professionals. In February, we're going to be hosting Spotlight on Career events in business and finance. So if you're interested in the career paths in that area, stay tuned for further information.
And make sure to check out our website and our socials to stay up to date on our upcoming events like our bootcamp program.
We're looking forward to working with you.